Hello students, welcome to the new session of Chemical Reactions and Equations Part 3. In this class, we will learn about exothermic reactions, endothermic reactions, oxidation reactions, reduction reactions, redox reactions, and effects of oxidation in everyday life. What is an exothermic reaction? A reaction in which heat energy is released is called an exothermic reaction. Burning of natural gas and burning of coal are examples of exothermic reaction. Another example of exothermic reaction is respiration. Why is respiration considered as an exothermic reaction? Respiration is considered as an exothermic reaction because in respiration oxidation of glucose takes place, which produces large amount of energy. Endothermic reaction. What is an endothermic reaction? A reaction in which heat energy is absorbed is called an endothermic reaction. Examples of endothermic reactions: heating of calcium carbonate and heating of ferrous sulfide crystals are examples of endothermic reaction. Another example for endothermic reaction is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is considered as an endothermic reaction because sunlight is absorbed during the reaction. Now let us watch a video showing endothermic and exothermic reactions.
Types of chemical reactions: exothermic reaction, endothermic reaction. We know that during a reaction, change of energy takes place. On the basis of energy change, chemical reactions are classified into types: exothermic reaction, endothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction. When calcium oxide is mixed with water, a lot of heat is produced. When coal is burnt again, a lot of heat is produced. Similarly, on burning natural gas, a lot of heat is evolved. Such reactions in which heat is evolved and the temperature increases are called exothermic reactions. During respiration, glucose combines with oxygen in the cells of our body to form carbon dioxide and water along with the production of energy. Respiration is an exothermic process because energy is produced during this process. The decomposition of vegetable matter into compost is also an example of exothermic reaction. Endothermic reaction. There are some reactions which take place when energy is supplied to them. For example, when ferrous sulfate is heated, ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide are formed. When electric current is passed through the water, it decomposes to form hydrogen and oxygen gas. Silver chloride breaks up into silver and chlorine in the presence of sunlight. In all these reactions, energy either in the form of heat, electricity or types of chemical reactions: exothermic reaction, endothermic reaction. We know that during a reaction, change of energy takes place.
Oxidation reactions. Oxidation is a reaction in which either the gain of oxygen, loss of hydrogen, or loss of electrons takes place. Examples of oxidation reactions. In the first reaction, magnesium atom in magnesium oxide has gained oxygen and has been oxidized to magnesium oxide. In the second reaction, ammonia has lost hydrogen. It has been oxidized to nitrogen. Reduction reactions. Reduction is a reaction in which either hydrogen is added, oxygen is removed, or gain of electrons takes place. Examples of reduction. In the first reaction, hydrogen is added to chlorine to form hydrogen chloride. Thus, chlorine has been reduced to hydrogen chloride. In the second reaction, copper oxide lost oxygen and reduced to copper. Redox reactions. Oxidation reduction reactions are called redox reactions. Both oxidation and reduction occur simultaneously. Hence, one species is oxidized, another is reduced. Examples of redox reactions. In the first reaction, carbon is oxidized to carbon monoxide and zinc oxide is reduced to zinc. In the second reaction, hydrogen is oxidized to water and copper oxide is reduced to copper. Oxidizing agent and reducing agent. The substance that is oxidized is the reducing agent. The substance that is reduced is the oxidizing agent. Now, what are the effects of oxidation in our everyday life? Corrosion. What is corrosion? When a metal is attacked by substances around it such as moisture, acids, etc., it is said to be corrode and this process is known as corrosion. Examples of corrosion. Iron articles are shiny when new but get coated with a reddish brown powder after some time. This process is known as rusting of iron. Silver turns black due to the formation of silver sulfide. Copper turns green due to the formation of copper carbonate. Rancidity. It is a process in which food materials containing fats and oils get spoiled when it comes in contact with oxygen. It leads to change in taste and smell of food materials. To prevent rancidity of food containing fats and oils, some substances which prevent oxidation are added to them. They are called antioxidants. Example, packets of chips are flushed with nitrogen to prevent the chips from getting oxidized. Points to remember. Reactions in which energy is given out are called exothermic reactions and reactions in which energy is absorbed are called endothermic reactions. Oxidation is the gain of oxygen or loss of hydrogen. Reduction is the loss of oxygen or gain of hydrogen. Home assignment. Textbook, page number 10, 13, all questions. Page number 16, question number 4, 9, 10 and 11. Thank you.